You all, I think I have a really good show today for you. Number one, how to not spike your blood sugar. Number two, why water. And number three, why exercise. And let's get into it right now. Now, water. Why water? It's very important. It's going into the summer months. It's gonna be hot. We're gonna want soda. We're gonna want slushes. We're gonna want shakes and all of that. But listen, we've got to put some water down into our system. I'm gonna show you a mini video of why it's important to drink water. Water, water, water. But I'm gonna try it. Come on, let's see. Drinking water helps your bowel movements. It keeps you hydrated. It helps you lose weight. After drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, you should urinate at least 7 to 10 times. Out of those 7 to 10 times, 5 to 7 of those urinations should be clean or clear. It breaks down the toxins in your stomach, and it clears your skin from dark patches up under your eyes. This type of water is hydrogenated and purified and has a special combination of electrolytes and minerals that work with your body to help you stay hydrated, balanced, and fit. After we drink that water, we're gonna want some type of snack, right? Okay, I'm gonna show you some snacks that I went to a marketplace the other day and I purchased. This is popcorn. Now we love popcorn. We love regular popcorn. We love white popcorn. We love sugar popcorn. We love cheddar cheese popcorn. All the popcorn that spikes our blood sugar. Well, I met this young lady and she shared with me, she had 2 different types of popcorn. This one with pecans. This one is regular. Now, this one is like this because I've already eaten some of it. Anyway, both of them is what? Filled with caramel. Now you know caramel is a lot of sugar, but she's a nurse and she indicated to me that this type of popcorn that I purchased does not spike your blood sugar. And the reason why she shared this with me was because she makes this popcorn and take it to the hospital where she works at, because sometimes they want popcorn. So this is a popcorn. It's really good, you all, for real. And it does not spike your blood sugar. It's so good. You would think that it's filled with sugar, but it's not. You need to try the one with the pecans in it. Totally awesome. I'll give you in the description below the name of the company if you want to go on the website, order the popcorn or whatever, but it does not spike your blood sugar. And you can talk to the young lady herself and she will share information with you because she is a nurse. And that's the only reason why I bought it. That's the only reason why I purchased it, you all, because she's a nurse. Here are some other snacks you can snack on after you drink so much water that doesn't spike your blood sugar. And now we're going to talk about exercise. Why is it so important for us to exercise? We have to exercise, you all. We have to keep our blood sugar down. We have to keep our cholesterol down. And we have to keep our blood pressure down. And the more we walk, we don't have to run. I don't run. I walk. I might a little power walk, but not that much. I walk faster than what I walk when I'm walking, to get my blood up. Then we can do some exercises that'll keep our blood pressure down. There's a lot of things we can do. Men, women, why does losing weight seem to be so complicated? All it takes is discipline, right? We're gonna talk about that right now. Whose diet? It doesn't matter. Why is it so complicated? We ride bikes, we go to the physical fitness places, fast bicycle ride, we walk the treadmill. I can't walk the treadmill because I always fall. Listen, losing weight is so complicated because we've got to put some self-discipline in it. I exercise Zumba 3 to 4 times a week, 1 hour a day. It helps with your cardio, it helps with your diabetes, it helps with your cholesterol. I drink a lot of water. Why is it so complicated to lose weight? It's all in your mind, that's what it is. You've got to change your mind. Losing weight is a lifestyle change. And if you don't change that, you're gonna keep gaining it back when you lose it. I'm gonna give you the 5 steps to living a happier lifestyle. And here they are.
Anymore.
You got it? Blood sugar spike, water, exercise. It's very important. Thank you for coming to Simple Cooking with Braden Brand. We're going to be talking about how to cook turnips with cauliflower. A good vegetable to eat. It is so good. I'll see you in next week's Simple Cooking with Braden Brand. Thanks for coming to our kitchen. I'll see you later.